And this is the part we wanted to show you because a lot of people have asked us what we mean when we say stop and complete your wrap. So what we do is it's back towards us, it's away from us, we flip our round nose, we bring our wire under. Now we are going to take 1/2 of the chain we cut and we're going to load it onto the head pin. And we pull it up, then we grab like this. And again, I use my bent nose or my flat nose. And now we complete our wrap. And it's completed. We nip off our excess. Then we just add our ear wire. And we close our ear wire.